Happy 2025. I am super excited to show you some of the fun things that we have going on for January with doTERRA, as well as if you have struggled with eating right, exercise, just some of those basic health habits you've tried and haven't really felt successful, but you know the importance of them, then stay with me because I have some fun things that will be coming to your inbox to help you to start small but something that will be sustainable. So let me just first show you on the page doTERRA's promotions for today. So you'll see the video there. And for those who have a doTERRA membership already and you use the rewards, what the rewards program is, you can actually go to the top and just click free product and then get more free product. It will explain all about the rewards program and how you can get an additional 10 to 30% back in product credits, kind of like frequent flyer miles or cash back on your credit card, but between 10 and 30% back on your already discounted products. So if you have a membership, you get 25% off, but you can also use the rewards program. And so for those who use the rewards program and your order is 125 PV, that means you are a VIP with doTERRA, they will be sending you a free digestion. If you haven't used it, heard of this, this is our digestive support essential oil. You can rub it on, you can take a couple of drops in water, you can put it in a capsule. It is phenomenal if you're dealing with bloating, gas, digestive issues of pretty much any sort, from babies all the way up to the elderly. This is a great essential oil to use, and you'll get it for free added to the cart. So that's one we always have on hand as one of our top 10 essential oils to be prepared for. Or if you have chronic digestive issues, this is one that you may want to have all the time. Use it regularly, every day, morning, night, before you eat, after you eat. It's a really great essential oil. Now, the one that is 10% off, so each month on top of the wholesale price that you can get 10% off of one oil. And this one happens to be ginger. And I love ginger. So there's a lot of health benefits for ginger. You can kind of read in here, but I just wanted to read a few from the Essential Life book. And you can also get the Essential Life app. This is what I use to know how to use essential oils, what's best, and the different ways to use them. So ginger. Listen to this. This is super cool. Amazing what God has put on this planet. So it's great for nausea, indigestion, vomiting, morning sickness, if you have loss of appetite, which that's not usually my problem, motion sickness or vertigo. It's also great for spasm, cramps, or sore muscles, sprains. So this is one that you could even apply topically. You can put it in your mouth, take some drops. It's a little bit spicy, so you might want to mix it with something or put it in a capsule. But some people are strong and just take it straight. You can even just rub it on your stomach, which is helpful for the digestive things, but rubbing it on those areas of concern, this is amazing. It's great for constipation, diarrhea, intestinal cramps. Also, if you have head congestion, a sore throat, so put some in water, gargle, and swallow that. If you get laryngitis or tonsillitis is another use. It's also great for poor circulation. And when you have like cold fingers and toes, you can put it on. It helps to increase the circulation there to help warm those body parts. It's also great for memory and brain issues, for neurotransmitter deficiencies. So most of the neurotransmitters for our emotions are created in our gut. And so it supports the gut, supports neurotransmitters, supports our brain health. Super awesome. Great for heartburn, reflux, hormone and blood sugar imbalances. So if you're really trying to help your metabolic health, this is one to have on hand. Now, this ginger is in digestion. Ginger is also in a blend called MetaPower, which is our metabolic blend. And so just know that you could have this on hand to kind of boost those things. It's also great for cold and flu, chills and fever. You can put it on joints or muscle pain. Nervous exhaustion is another one that has been shown to be helpful with if you have low sex drive or impotence, and then also can be helpful for alcohol addiction, or if you're feeling kind of powerlessness, that is a great oil for supporting you in those kind of emotions. So you can get that 10% off this month. Stock up, get more than one if it's something that's important to you. And then something really cool. So for those of you who have been using the doTERRA MetaPower Advantage, this is our collagen powder drink. I use it every day, sometimes twice a day. As we age, we produce less and less collagen. And collagen is needed for our skin, one, so that we age beautifully outside, but I think even more importantly on the inside. So this is needed for our joints, for our muscles, for different functioning of our body. And if we're producing less and less as we age, that means we need to be supplementing, or you're going to start seeing the breakdown of different parts of your body. You might have joints achy. You see a lot of aging on the outside as well. So MetaPower Advantage is phenomenal. And you absorb more of it than most collagens on the market just because of the technology that's used. I'm not going to go into that. You can learn more about it. But they have a new flavor. So they have one that's called pomegranate cherry. It tastes amazing. So now you have two options with those, but just wanted to bring that to your attention. So on January 1st, it's available as just a single product, but on January 2nd, for those who are using the rewards program, you can order that and then you can customize and save. If you don't know what customize and save means, this is just a way that you can get even deeper discounts on different products. So if you add MetaPower to your cart, there'll be a little customized button that comes up, and you'll have three options to add different products at an even deeper below the wholesale price discount. So just be aware of that. So this is going to be a fun January, and watch your inbox because I will be sharing some things that can help you to really transform your life in a sustainable way with your health, with your home, and with your business if you have one. All right. Have a great day. Reach out to me if you have any questions.